This is the best and only beef fried rice recipe you need, so let's get into it. So I first started off by boiling my beef with some onions, ginger and garlic, green seasoning and some powder seasoning which I'll list. I used a lot of water because we want a lot of broth for the rice later. I then toasted my rice with some curry, thyme and red onions and toasted onto golden brown and any excess moisture was removed before adding in that flavorful beef broth, but only using the beef broth, no water. I then fried my beef until golden and removed any excess oil for the sauteing of the vegetables. I then sauteed some ginger and garlic with some chili. I then added some seasoning, sauteed a bit before adding in my red onions, sauteed for about a minute before adding my carrots and then my sweet corn. I allowed it to saute a bit before adding in my red bell peppers, my cooked rice, beef and some spring onions for some freshness. Look how good this looks. Serve and enjoy it.